back to another video, and today we're back and we are making some slime. So first you're going to need a bowl, obviously, and then next you're going to have to get your glue, and then pour in how much glue as you want. You can pour as much glue as you want. I'm just going to pour a little bit in. Not that much, though. Okay. I think I might be able to put a little bit more in. Okay, I think that's good, guys. And then I'm going to put my borax in. If you don't have, and I put it in this little squirt bottle because I think that'd be pretty, I think that's a cool idea. But, because usually I put it in a cup, but this time I'm going to be putting it in a squirt bottle. So, let's start activating the slime. Well, actually, first, I'm going to get some dye. So, food coloring to dye it. And I think what I'm going to make it is I want to make a blue, a light blue. Okay, so I'm going to put one drop in, a blue, and then I'm going to get my mixer. Okay, got my spoon. Now I'm going to start mixing, making the slime. Okay guys, so I got my slime mixed up. It's baby blue. And then if you want, you can decorate your slime however you want. I'm going to put some silver glitter in mine to make it a little bit prettier. And oh, that might have been a little too much. And put that back in there like that. And I'm making a big mess. Oh my gosh, I'm making a huge mess. Okay, that's a lot of glitter, but who cares? It will look pretty, and that's all that matters. Okay. Mix the glitter in, and yeah. Okay guys, so I got the glitter mixed in, and now I think it's time to activate it. So let me get the activator in, little at a time, and yeah. Okay guys, so it's not really activating or anything. The reason why I think is because I didn't put enough borax in here. I was trying to be really careful of the amount to put in here, and I don't think I put enough in here. So I'm gonna put some more borax in here, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I got some more borax in here. And I'm going to see if it works now. So, I'm going to start mixing it up. I don't think I put enough in it, so I'm probably going to have to do that too. And, yeah. So, let's get into time lapse. Okay guys, so I have no idea what's going on. It's not working. I put more borax in it, but I don't think I put enough. Well, I gotta do that again now. Okay guys, so this time I put a buttload of borax in here. And hopefully it works this time. Okay, let's do this. Okay guys, so it's starting to activate a little bit. So right now I'm just trying to stir it and get it into form. It's looking really cool actually. I think it just needs a little bit more activator, and soon I'll be able to knead it on the counter. So yeah. Okay guys, so I got it on this counter and I'm gonna start, I don't want to get my hands into it yet. So I'm gonna start mixing it up on the counter. You know what? I'm gonna get my hands in it. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. Oh, wow. Okay, I think I need some more activator. Whoa. Okay. Whoa, this is so cool. Wow. Okay guys, so I made slime. I thought I was gonna fail because I'm really bad at making slime. I mean, it's a bit sticky still. Like, really sticky, but it's not really sticky. I mean, I can still touch it and play with it a little bit without it sticking to my hand. But yeah, if I overactivate it, I'm just gonna have to like put some more glue in it, because that usually always helps with my slimes I make, because I always make them like overactivated. It's really hard for me to make a slime that's not overactivated. So yeah, right now I'm just, yeah, because it's really rippy right now. See? Well, I mean, it's still stretchy. Yeah, it's really rippy. But still stretches. So that's the good part. I'm not really good at doing that. But yeah. Okay guys, so it is activated. It's really nice. Oh, no. No. There we go. No, slime keeps flying everywhere. But yeah, it is activated, and I still have a lot in the bowl. A lot of slime in the bowl. That's like glue or something like that. So, I'm gonna have to get that out. So let's do this. Alright, guys. Okay, guys. So I picked up everything. The slime is perfect. I love it. Maybe a little sticky, but it's like perfect texture. It's not too sticky. It's not too hard or anything, like overactivated. It's like perfect, and I love it. So let's do some ASMR. Okay, now I'm going to try a swirl. I'm going to try. I'm probably not going to complete it, but I'm going to try at least. Oh, I messed up. Let me try again. Slime's really runny, so it's really hard to do it. Oh, I can do better, I know it. Just it's so hard to do it with runny slime. Okay. Get into a ball. And hurry, hurry, hurry. Here, I'm going to try to do it in my hand. That should work. Like that. Ah, it's so runny. It's so hard to do a swirl, guys, when the slime is runny. Okay. It's not working. But anyways, it's still pretty good slime, I think. It has a really good poking noise. And it's a really good bubble slime. Okay, I'm going to try to make a really big bubble. Hope I don't get it too big and have it go onto the camera. Well, I messed that one up. Try again. Okay. It's like sticking to me when it makes a bubble. It's annoying. And yeah, the texture is so nice. It feels like a bubble and stuff. I love it. Okay guys, that's probably the best I'm gonna get. It was better, but I had to start the video back up, which made it float down. But yeah, it's probably the best swirl I'm gonna get today. I got slime all over me. And guys, it's so sparkly. If you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. But it is really sparkly. And so cool. The texture feels like a fluffy slime. Though I didn't add any shaving cream in it. All I added in it is more glue because it was overactivated and some lotion because it was a little bit sticky. It wasn't the best at stretching. So, yeah. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for today. I really hope you like this video. And hit that like button if you want to see more slime videos like this. And subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but it would be really appreciative if you did. And I'll see you now and good. Bye.